Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are tired of your photos looking a little blurry or pixelated after uploading to Instagram, you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to upload high quality photos to Instagram so your images look better. Let's get started. First of all, find the Instagram app. Now open it. Now go to your profile icon. Here you can find the three lines at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now scroll down and look for the option which is called media quality. After you locate it, simply tap on it. Here you can see the option of upload at highest quality. Simply turn it on. After turning it on, this will ensure that your images are uploaded with as little compression as possible and the photos will upload at highest quality. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you will be able to upload high quality photos to Instagram every time. Now upload your best photos ever. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.